In this lesson, we will explain what physics is. The objectives of this lesson will be first to define the terms physics and observations, and to explain how physics is developed and why it is relevant. So what exactly is physics? You might say, well, physics is a science, but what does that mean? What exactly is a science? Take some time to think it through. You can pause the video at this point if you like. I propose to you that science aims to make sense of the world around us. But before we have anything to try to make sense out of, we need to make observations. Some examples of observations would be objects falling toward the earth and not towards the sky, objects slowing down as they roll along a surface. These are just two examples of what science, and in the above examples, physics, tries to explain. So now that we have defined what science is, we can ask ourselves, what exactly is physics then? Physics is defined as the study of the behavior and structure of matter. Let's take a second to make sense of that meaning. Physics can be considered the most basic science after mathematics. It tries to understand how everything in the universe works. Physics tries to understand the behavior of the smallest particle to the motion of the universe. In this course, beginning physics, the focus will be on understanding what is typically called classical physics, which tries to make sense of the motion of everyday objects, such as a ball, a car, an airplane, and so on and so forth. So now that we have some idea of what physics is, why study it? A simple answer is that if you have a better understanding of how the world around you works, you're better able to adapt to it and or manipulate the world around you in order to live an easier life. This is probably the biggest appeal to most people for studying physics and is the prime reason behind its development. A simple example is the development of a method to keep track of time. Because of this, we were able to plan out our activities. Think about it, how nice it is to be able to tell your friend you're going to meet them at 9, and both you and them, they know exactly what that means. I hope this lesson has helped you understand a little bit more about what physics is.